In this lesson, we're going to explore the API endpoints with API documentation. I have attached the API documentation file along with this video, so you just need to download this file for API documentation. Now once you download this API documentation file, then just open the Postman tool. You can download this Postman from Google. The installation of this tool is very simple, and this tool is free of cost. Now we have opened this Postman tool. Just close the window that you will see at the startup. Then just go to this import option, and right after that, we need to select the API documentation file that we have downloaded. Alright, here we go. Just import this file. Now inside the Postman and under this collection, we have a section that contains our API endpoints. If we expand this, then we will get the subsections like accounts, categories, complaints, products, shopping cart, and orders. Alright, we will first start with the accounts section. So just stay with me because we'll continue our work in the next lesson.